Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Paysera. First, open the Paysera app and copy your bank details, including the IBAN and BIC or SWIFT. Next, open the Wise app and tap Send Money. Choose Bank Transfer and enter your Picera IBAN along with the SWIFT or BIC code if required. Select the correct currency, usually euro. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Wise will show you the fees and delivery time before you finalize it. And that's it. That's how to send money from Wise to Paysera. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.